Want a natural, stunning red hair color without chemicals? Watch till the end for a secret ingredient. Our first ingredient is fresh red beetroot. It naturally colors hair, strengthens roots, and adds shine. Here we peel one fresh beetroot, which is also rich in antioxidants that help nourish the scalp. Next, we slice the peeled beetroot into small pieces to release its full color and nutrients. This helps the juice blend better and gives your hair a richer, deeper red tone, while boosting shine and softness. Now we add the beetroot slices into our pot. Next, we add cloves, small but powerful. They stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, prevent dandruff, and enhance shine. Here we use 7 cloves, which also add a warm aroma and help strengthen hair follicles. Our next special ingredient is cinnamon. It improves blood flow to the scalp, promoting stronger, faster hair growth. We add 3 medium sticks. It also gives the mixture antibacterial properties and a pleasant fragrance. Now let's add bay leaves. They help nourish the scalp, reduce hair fall, and add a subtle natural gloss. We place 5 bay leaves on top of our mixture. They also act as a mild conditioner, keeping your hair soft and fresh. Bay leaves are rich in vitamins that strengthen hair follicles and promote healthy, shiny growth. Our next key ingredient is coffee, packed with antioxidants that fight dullness, protect hair from damage, and help darken hair naturally. Coffee also stimulates hair roots, promoting stronger, healthier growth and improving overall texture. We take some coffee beans and grind them finely until smooth, releasing their rich aroma and nutrients. Applying coffee and hair treatments can enhance shine, add depth to natural color, and even help reduce hair fall. This simple ingredient is a natural booster for maintaining healthy, vibrant hair with a beautiful, deep tone. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video so you never miss our natural hair color recipes. Comment below which hair color you'd love us to create next. Your idea might inspire our next recipe. We love seeing your results, so share your experiences and join our community of natural hair enthusiasts. We add 1 tablespoon of the ground coffee to the pot, with the other ingredients to deepen the natural red color. Coffee enhances the hue, strengthens hair roots, and adds natural shine, giving your hair a vibrant, healthy look from roots to tips. Next, Nescafe. We add 1 tablespoon to boost shine, enrich color, and give your hair a smooth, vibrant, glossy finish. We add 1 cup of water, place the pot on heat, and stir continuously until it starts boiling. This helps all the ingredients release their natural color and nutrients, creating a rich liquid for healthy, shiny hair. Once boiled, we remove the pot from heat and let the mixture cool completely. This allows all the natural pigments, vitamins, and nutrients to infuse fully into the liquid, creating a nutrient-rich, natural coloring solution. We then strain it carefully to separate the liquid from the solids. The result is a pure red infusion packed with antioxidants and essential minerals that strengthen hair, protect it from damage, add natural shine, and leave it healthy, vibrant, and full of life from roots to tips. Now comes the magic of henna, a timeless natural dye. We add 7 tablespoons of pure henna into a bowl. Henna not only colors your hair naturally, but it also deeply conditions each strand, reduces breakage, strengthens roots, adds thickness, and leaves your hair soft, healthy, and full of shine. Regular use of henna can improve scalp health, promote hair growth, and maintain vibrant color for longer. And we gradually pour our strained red liquid over the henna, stirring continuously. Add more liquid little by little if the mixture still feels thick, until you get a smooth, creamy paste that's easy to apply and ensures even color distribution. Now for the application, spread the paste from roots to ends, leave it on for 1.5 hours, then rinse and dry. Use every 2 weeks for vibrant red, stronger, shiny hair. And now let's move on to our second recipe, my personal favorite. Start again with red beetroot. Peel 1 small beetroot, then cut it into small, even pieces and place them in a bowl. Don't discard the peel. It helps the color release evenly and prevents clumps in your mixture. Using the peel also makes the most of every ingredient, reducing waste while preparing a natural, vibrant dye. Make sure to handle the beetroot carefully to avoid stains on your hands or surfaces. Did you know beetroot has been used for centuries as a natural dye and scalp tonic? By combining the flesh and peel, we maximize the natural pigments, ensuring a richer, more uniform color when applied to hair. Next, onion. Packed with sulfur and antioxidants, it helps strengthen hair roots and promote new growth. Chop 1 onion into small pieces and add it to the mix. Onion also helps reduce dandruff, prevents hair thinning, and nourishes the scalp, giving your hair a healthier, fuller appearance naturally. Now add hibiscus petals. They promote shine, softness, and a vibrant red tint. Hibiscus also helps prevent premature graying, reduces dryness, and keeps hair healthy and nourished. Next, flax seeds. Add 1 tablespoon to the mix. They are rich in omega-3 and vitamin E, which deeply moisturize hair, reduce breakage, and improve overall hair strength and shine naturally. Add 1 tablespoon of black seed. Add 7 cloves again to boost shine and fragrance. Pour 2 cups of water into the mixture, stir gently, and bring it to a boil. While it heats, keep stirring slowly so all the ingredients release their natural color and nutrients, creating a rich, nourishing liquid. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our future natural hair color recipes. Once the mixture reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This gentle cooling allows all the natural pigments, antioxidants, and nutrients to fully infuse into the liquid. Then, carefully strain the mixture to separate the solids, ensuring you get a smooth, vibrant red liquid. This nutrient-packed solution is perfect for coloring your hair naturally, while also nourishing, strengthening, and adding shine to every strand. Now add about 7 tablespoons of natural henna into a bowl. Gradually pour the red liquid over it while stirring continuously, making sure the mixture stays smooth and lump-free. Take your time to blend it thoroughly so every bit of henna absorbs the liquid fully. Once the paste is uniform, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This helps fix the color, making it last longer, appear more vibrant, and penetrate deeply into each hair strand. Keep mixing carefully until you get a creamy, consistent texture, perfect for even application. Remember, a well-mixed henna paste ensures the best results, richer color, and healthier, shinier hair. Apply for 1.5 hours, rinse, and enjoy shiny red hair.